Module description. This module dives deeply into the core of harmonic improvisation, the sophisticated interplay between harmony and melodic invention. While previous modules may have focused on melodic and rhythmic dimensions independently, Module 4 synthesizes these with harmonic frameworks, providing instrumentalists with advanced tools to navigate chord progressions with fluency, intelligence, and emotional power. Improvising over chord changes is not merely about matching scales to chords. It is about voice leading, targeting guide tones, chord substitutions, inner movement, and spontaneous harmonic awareness. You will learn how to create lines that are not only technically accurate, but also expressively connected to the harmonic journey of the piece. This module empowers musicians to construct solos that outline chord changes, build harmonic tension and resolution, and move freely between diatonic, modal, and chromatic contexts. It provides in-depth exploration into jazz, gospel, R&B, neo-soul, funk, and classical harmonic structures, equipping you to respond in real time to dynamic harmonic shifts. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to analyze chord progressions and identify target tones for improvisation, use arpeggios, chord tones, and passing tones fluently in solo construction, navigate IVI, IV, circle of fifths, and modal progressions, utilize chord substitutions and reharmonization ideas in improvisation, integrate upper structures, ninths, 11ths, 13ths, and altered extensions in phrasing. Apply voice leading and guide tone targeting to create smooth melodic motion. Combine harmonic and melodic phrasing for emotionally impactful improvisation. Chord tones versus non-chord tones. Definitions and functions, e.g., chord tones equals root, third, fifth, seventh. Role of tensions, ninths, 11ths, 13ths. Effective use of non-chord tones, passing, neighboring, suspension, anticipation. Arpeggiation in improvisation. Basic triads and seventh chord arpeggios. Extended arpeggios, ninths, 11ths, 13ths. Hybrid arpeggios, for example, G major over E minor chord. Arpeggio enclosures, chromatic approaches to chord tones. Guide tones and voice leading. What are guide tones? Typically, thirds and sevenths. Smooth melodic motion through minimal interval jumps, connecting chords in a progression using stepwise or chromatic motion, creating tension and release by voice leading resolutions. Harmonic progression, mapping colon dot, common progressions. IVI, major and minor, IVIV, circle of fifths, turnarounds and backdoor cadences. Modal vamps, Dorian, Lydian, Mixolydian centers. How to identify harmonic rhythm and phrase points. Chord substitution techniques. Tritone substitution, e.g., replacing G7 with D flat 7. Modal interchange, borrowing from parallel modes. Chromatic mediants, and planing secondary dominance and extended dominance. Melodic construction over changes, connecting arpeggios with passing tones. Using motifs that adapt harmonically as chords change. Avoiding scalar running and developing lyrical lines, integrating rhythmic and harmonic motifs. Genre-based harmonic application, jazz, complex progressions, extended harmony, and functional substitution. Gospel, lush voicings, secondary dominance, circle movements. Neo-soul / R&B, modal borrowing, smooth voice leading, rhythmic space rock / funk. Simpler harmonies with rhythmic / harmonic interplay. Latin, clave-conscious harmonic pacing, montuno structures, practical exercises and assignments. Solo over TVI progressions in multiple keys. Construct arpeggio-based motifs for 3-chord loops. Record yourself improvising with guide tone targeting. Only. Transcribe a harmonic solo from a jazz or gospel soloist. Apply chord substitutions to a known tune and improvise over the changes. Required listening and study. Examples: John Coltrane, Giant Steps, chord speed and voice leading. Herbie Hancock, Maiden Voyage, modal harmonic improvisation. Corey Henry, live solos, gospel harmonic application. Joe Pass, solo guitar, chord melody improvisation. Esperanza Spalding, bass harmony interaction. Outcomes. By completing Module 4, you will possess a deep and applied understanding of harmonic improvisation. They will move beyond static scale approaches and gain the tools to play expressively over chord changes, communicate advanced ideas with harmonic clarity, and build solos that evolve naturally with the underlying harmony.